Hi kids, today we're going to learn the alphabets along with the animal's name. It is very interesting video. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. And subscribe my channel. A. A is for alligator. Alligator. B. B is for bear. Bear. C. C is for camel. Camel. D. D is for dog. Dog. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. F. F is for fox. Fox. G. G is for goat. Goat. H. H is for horse. Horse. I. I is for iguana. Iguana. J. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L. L is for lion. Lion. M. M is for monkey. Monkey. N. N is for nighthawk. Nighthawk. O. O is for octopus. Octopus. P. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q. Q is for quill. Quill. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S. S is for snail. Snail. T. T is for tiger. Tiger. U. U is for urchin. Urchin. V. V is for vulture. Vulture. W. W is for whale. Whale. X. X is for xenopus. Xenopus. Y. Y is for yak. Yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Thanks for watching.